Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. I am uploading this prelims plus mains to-do list of SBI clerk daily. You can follow this to-do list if you are preparing for both like pre and main simultaneously, okay? I am already preparing for this exam. And I share my daily to-do list on this channel. So first I do, I will cover, today I have written it topic wise. So first I will cover today's current affairs from Affairs Cloud. Okay. Then I will start revising April first week current affairs, and I will keep on like then I will revise second week, then third week, and then I will start off March. So from tomorrow I am starting April first week current affair revision. For maths I will complete one arithmetic chapter practice, then I will practice two mains level DIs. Okay, you can practice these mains level DIs from mock test. Then I will do speed practice from grade up quizzes. Just write simplification quiz on grade up and you will find their quiz. Then in reasoning I will practice one question of input output for mains. Then I will practice two questions of reverse syllogism for mains. You can do 5 questions also. Then I will do 2 mains level puzzles and 3 videos of 1000 puzzle series. Okay. For mains level puzzle you can refer to mock test, and for 3 videos of 1000 puzzle you can go to Unacademy on Ankush Lamba sir profile. Then for English I will read editorial and note down some vocab from it. Then I will take English class and I will revise my grammar notes of English. Okay, that's all for English tomorrow. Then for practice I will practice prelims level questions from Guidely Bundle PDF course. Okay, you can also refer to this bundle PDF course because we don't have that much time that we search question from different websites, because SBI has not given us any time. So it is better that we find questions on one place every day, and these PDFs are updated every day, so we can find question on one place, and plus if we have doubt then there are video solutions also. So it is better to practice from one source. Okay, I will give you link in description and you can get 12% discount from my code also. So this all is for mains, like from here to here, and practice is for prelims. This all practice is for mains. So that's all for tomorrow, 29 April 2021. Just be consistent in your studies and just don't waste a single minute of your day. Okay, so that's all for tomorrow. Thank you, have a nice day, and God bless you.